In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur eager to establish your online presence, or someone just curious to explore the world of website creation, setting up a Wix account is a straightforward process that anyone can do. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once you're there, go ahead and type in the URL for the Wix homepage, which is simply wix.com. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to their main page, which is filled with lots of information and colorful graphics. Don't let it overwhelm you. You're exactly where you need to be. Now on the Wix homepage, look for a button that says something like Get Started or Sign Up. This button is usually prominently displayed because Wix wants to make it easy for you to join their platform. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the next step in your journey towards creating your Wix account. Once you've clicked through, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to sign up for your new account. Wix offers you a few different options here. You can sign up using your email address, which might be the best option if you prefer to keep your website management separate from your social accounts. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account, which can speed up the process a bit since it automatically fills in some of your information for you. Choose whichever method works best for you and follow the prompts accordingly. If you choose to sign up with your email, there's an important additional step to complete. Wix will send a verification email to the address you provided. It's a simple security measure to ensure that you have access to this email. So, head over to your inbox, find the email from Wix, and click on the link provided in their message. This verification will finalize your account setup. Once you've verified your email, you're all set and logged into your new Wix account. This is where the fun begins. You'll find yourself at the doorstep of creativity with tools like the Wix Editor and Wix ADI at your disposal. The Wix Editor allows for a fully customized website building experience where you can drag and drop elements to design your site to your liking. Wix ADI, on the other hand, is more automated, providing suggestions and helping you build your site quickly based on your answers to a few questions. And there you have it. Your new Wix account is ready, and you're all set to commence your online journey. Stay tuned for more guides on getting the most out of your Wix experience.